Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll just be sewing. I have 3 tote bags to sew for a client. She requested the tote bags in different colors, so I decided let me share that with you, and I'll be starting right now. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Kindly watch to the very end. First of all, I'm just starting out by tidying my workspace. It's a little bit messy, so I'll tidy it up, and as you can see I've already cut out my materials, the ones that I'm going to be using. I've already cut out all the 3 leather pieces. I have one in the color beige, then I also have maroon, and I have a navy blue one. I've also cut out all the zipper panels and the straps. Everything is set, so my work will just be to sit down and sew them all. I'm going to start threading my machine. I got a semi-industrial sewing machine and I'm super excited for this. So I'm going to thread it. Ensure that you thread your machine really well, because if you don't thread it well, you won't sew, your sewing won't be neat. That's it. So I'm going to go ahead and make the quilt lines, as you can see me doing right here. I'm going to make, these are the lines that I'm going to be using as a guide when I'm quilting all the leathers, and I decided to do each and every step for all the pieces at a go, so that it can give me easier time when I'm working on the pieces. So my quilting process will include this foam that I have, and I have my lining fabric which I'll place at the bottom of the foam, as you can see me doing right over here. Then I'll also put the leather on top of the foam. That will make a good sandwich and will also make a good quilt. I think you can use any foam size that you want. For me, I used the thin one. I didn't want a thicker one, and it works just fine. So I'll go ahead and do that for all the 3 pieces of leather that I have, and come back to the next step. So the process is still the same, just putting the lining at the bottom, sandwiching it with the foam, then putting the leather, going ahead to just attach everything in one piece, and getting a nice quilt that my customer would love. So yeah, and I'm also taking my time, making sure that everything is well aligned, and just making sure that I get everything in good condition. And don't mind the speed. I'm fast forwarding it, but I was taking my sweet time to just go ahead, get all the neat stitches right over there. So here I have the quilt first already. I'm done with the quilting, so I'm going to start with the zipper panels, and as you can see, I'm just arranging everything in order. The leather fabric faces the right size facing on top, then the zipper also faces on top, then the lining faces at the bottom. I don't know if you understand that. Then I also made sure I made some notches at the center of each fabric so as to align them real well. Then I'm just going to go ahead, stitch, as you can see me doing right here. Then I'm going to turn it on the right side, then make a top stitch. Right over here, I'm top stitching everything that I've already sewn in place, so that I can get that good zipper. And you will see when I will be attaching the zipper head or the slider, and yeah, that will just form the enclosure for my bag, for my 3 bags. This is how the zipper plus the zipper panel looks. It just sits okay. If you measure everything right, and also if you top stitch it well, everything will be fine. So this right here is how I'm measuring out where I'm going to place my bag straps. I've taken the midpoint of the bag, then I'm going to just go ahead and try to get same distance from the midpoint of the bags on either side, and that will form the places where I'm going to attach my bag straps. I hope you are enjoying watching the video. I really don't know how to explain it well, but the video is self-explanatory, I guess. So if you don't understand anything, let me know in the comment section and I will be glad to make it clear. Forgive me for the background noise. After getting the perfect measurements and I'm convinced, I'm going to attach the bag handles. Remember, there are 2 bag handles, one on either side of the bag. So yeah, be careful because this is also the outer part of the bag. The stitches must be neat. That is super important. It must be neat because you want to have a neat finish. So here it is. I'm just closing off this one side of the bag handle, then I'm going to go ahead and do it for all the sides. And what I've done to one bag, I'm just going to repeat the whole process in all the parts of in all the other bags. And I didn't have those clips for holding the bags, so I used my cloth pegs. This works just as fine provided you get the desired end result. You can DIY, use whatever it is that you have at hand, but just make sure you don't use pins because you don't want to poke holes on the leather. So after working on all the zipper panels and the lining of the fabric, I'm going to turn my bag the right side out. Then I'm going to line it to the lining as you see me doing right here. Then after attaching everything using my pegs, I'm going to stitch on top of the leather and the lining together so that it can stick together. And I had left like some space on the inner lining because that space I will be using it to turn the project to the right sides. So because I don't want the project to be bulky when I'm top stitching, I'm cutting out the excess fabric, especially the part that has the form on it. So I'm cutting it out so the project won't be bulky when I'm passing it under the sewing machine. Once that is done, I'm going to start passing my project on the space that I had left on the inner lining to just expose the best part of the bag, as you can see right here. Then I'm going to align everything in place, put the zipper panel on the inside of the bag, clip it down because I'm going to top stitch it. I'm just clipping it because I want my project to stay in place when I'm going to be top stitching it. I don't want it to give me a lot of problems, so it's best to pin it down. Make sure that everything is well placed. Counter check. You have to counter check. Just make sure before top stitching, make sure you have everything well put in place. So that's it. That's what I'm doing. And yeah, after that I'm going to make a top stitch on the bag so as to also hold the zipper panel on the inside of the bag. It won't come out when you open the zipper. So that's what I'm doing right here. As you can see, the zipper is recessed on the inside of the bag. It stays well down there, so I'm going to sew it. As you've noticed, I didn't put the strap on the blue bag. That's because I'm going to put an eyelet and a chain on the bag, so that's why I didn't put a strap. I didn't attach the strap on the blue bag. So right here I'm working on the last bag, just going ahead, putting the zipper in place on the panel. Then I'm going to go ahead, attach it to the inner lining, The process is just the same, guys. The process is the same with all the other bags that I have made. I hope you are enjoying the video so far up to this point, and the fact that you are watching to this point means you are enjoying the content and you are learning also. So kindly leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts. If you have any questions or any concerns, let me know and I will be more than glad to answer you back. Also, like the video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. So guys, I'm done making the bags and I'm super excited. I've made such beautiful pieces. I know you will love them. Comment in the comment section if you love them. So here they are in 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! They're so pretty. Look at that. Super pretty. They're very extremely pretty. What do you think? This one has a chain, then the leather part, but for this they are all leather, and all of them have these zippers on the inside that you can use to close off your bag, so you don't have that chance of being pickpocketed or anything. Then I love that I've put this something here so that it gives the bag some kind of a structure. And they're super pretty. What do you think? I'm so in love. And they're such cute colors. Look at that. Look at that one. Super cute. Then there's this one. Oh my days. Super pretty. What do you think? Super pretty. The quilts are so nice. Anyways guys, that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you for watching the video to this point. Kindly, if you want to put across your order, let me know. I'll leave my number in the description box, and I'll also leave my business account somewhere up here. You can reach out to me. The easiest way will be to pick my number from the description box and just contact me directly on my WhatsApp so we can do business. If you want such kind of bags. And I also do make hair accessories such as bonnets. I make satin lined shower caps, I make scrunchies and all these cute girly hair accessories. So make sure you take my number from the description box, hit up a girl on WhatsApp, and I will deliver them to you. So if you enjoyed the video, kindly like it, subscribe to my channel, and don't comment to leave a sweet comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about the bags and all that, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.